train Vietnam, every corner has a story. Every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking around the train, by the time you view this, I'll be gone, but I'll miss you, Vietnam. Trang city and beaches filled with ocean breezes. Love the architecture, love the energy. Walking around in the train, by the time you view this, I'll be gone, but I'll miss you, Vietnam. Take a stroll in the train, gives what you need, clears your mind, on your train, Vietnam.
Okay, I guess since we're here, we're at the dam market. There's tons and tons of tourists in there. Russian, Korean, predominantly Chinese, Vietnamese. We're just kind of out in the streets right now. It's gonna just get out of this area, but I guess I might as well film it since I'm here. So let's go walk into the dam market. Okay, we got a tiny little Nha Trang video up on the map. There it is. So we're going to be exploring a market. I didn't really film that much in here, but I did film something, so I wanted to share that anyways. And I have some more in Nha Trang. I think I only have 5 left, and it's going to get really cool really soon, because I'm going to be this one I think is kind of a mediocre one. But for those who want to see the market, at least you get to see it. And then the other ones would be like beach stuff, like bars, and some other cool stuff too. Big church. Anyways, we're gonna do the lyrics. So I wrote the lyrics, fed it into AI. So the music is I wrote it, and somebody else created the listening part of that. So that is up on the map. And now we're gonna do the walk and talk, where I walk down the streets of this little marketplace in Nha Trang. Okay. Okay, so let's just show you what the damn market looks like. Got some food there. And actually the damn market is actually not too bad. It's not so crowded either. Like a lot of times these markets can be extremely crowded with pickpocket kind of stuff and all kinds of crazy stuff. It's not really the case here at all. Yeah, it's actually in this area feels more like where the Vietnamese would shop at, because it's all like mango, dried mango, stuff like that. But there would be also a lot of tourist kinds of stuff too, so like these. That's hats, you can buy stuff like that. This one has more household goods in general. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like a little bit. I think I'm going to walk all the way through it. That's where it gets more crowded, down that way. And over here too. Actually, it smells good. Mango cake. Okay.
Cái đu này nè, chiên cơm. Con thích sao đủ phải không? Cái đu. Nghe cái đu là thay lại giật mình.
Okay. Where's paper? So I'm also looking for how to find a. I was gonna come here and just once I came over, I don't really like shopping that much, to be honest. Through here a little bit. So that kind of meanders through that whole space. And I'm going to come out here, get back outside again. So I think that's one of the exit gates. So there's many different gates here. And then there's a big circular thing, which I was kind of following around.
Bạn tí á chị? Đang làm gì ạ?
A little bit hard to navigate. So this little circular thing, it seems like things go around there too. And one of the things I noticed most about this area is people are pretty chill. Like a lot of times when you're in these markets, people will grab you and touch you, but they don't really bother you at all. It's really nice. So anyways, I'm just kind of giving a little sample of the damn market. And I don't think I'm going to film too much, so I'm not so interested in shopping myself, but at least you kind of get an idea of it. And I will sum up one is that if you're going to shop, this is a pretty relaxing one. It's spacious. There's a lot of, you didn't see it in this video, but there are quite a few different people here, different languages. A popular place for tourists to come. And once we go over to that direction right there, that's where the taxis come. So I'll just kind of film that. So I believe all of this is the damn market. And if I put it into Google Maps, I can just write the word dam, D-A-M. Oh, there it is right there. Tri-K. So that's the name of the, and that's how you write it in Vietnamese as well. The dam market. So we're gonna leave the dam market. At least you kind of got a little bit of a taste of it, and I didn't explore too much, but I will come out to here. And I'm gonna take a taxi and come on out of here as well. Lots of people are eating over there. And I think that might be the entrance to the dam market over there. It says Cho Dam. You can see it. So I think Cho must be market, and I'm mispronouncing it, of course. But you can see it right there, Cho Dam. And then people are getting their taxis here, and a lot of foreigners in particular. So I don't know if you saw them that much, but the dam market. So that's the dam market right there. And we're going to show you something else of Nha Trang. So, but this is kind of one of the tourist sites. So let's end it right there.
Walking around the train by the time you view this. I'll be gone, but I'll miss you, Vietnam.